For years, China has believed it was the world's #1 manufacturing powerhouse. Faster, cheaper, and bigger than everyone else. Then Tesla showed up and completely changed what fast really means. Not just 10% faster, not even twice as fast, but so fast it blows away every standard the auto industry has ever known. Elon Musk has said that Tesla can finish a car in under 30 seconds thanks to Giga Press 2.0, this crazy machine that only Tesla has. I mean, getting a car to roll off the production line every 30 seconds is something almost no automaker can do. Even the most efficient factories in China still need almost 2 minutes to push a new car off the line. Sure, China has hundreds of factories, millions of workers, and lines running 24/7. But that whole system is still built on an old-school model. Lots of steps, lots of people, and tons of chances for things to go wrong. Tesla does the exact opposite. They take people off the line, get rid of hundreds of extra robots, cut out thousands of welds, and the result is a line that's so fast humans aren't even allowed near it. And all of this comes from pushing giga casting to the limit. Now Tesla has Giga Press 2.0, the wildest machine we've ever seen inside a car factory. It's very different from the older versions, and the way it works is almost hard to imagine. Elon Musk even compared it to making Matchbox toy cars, and he says Giga Press 2.0 will be used for all upcoming models. It's supposed to help Tesla move faster and avoid delays when finishing new vehicles. So, what's really going on inside this machine? How is it different from the ones before? And just how insanely fast is it? The Giga Press is one of the largest die casting machines in the world right now. And honestly, nothing else comes close to its efficiency in an automotive production line. This thing is about the size of a 2-story house and can produce massive EV components in just a few seconds. That's exactly why automakers around the world are willing to spend millions of dollars just to get their hands on one. Most recently, Volvo has rolled out a 9,000-ton Giga Press in Slovakia to seriously boost its manufacturing efficiency. Yeah, Tesla was the very first company in the world to come up with the idea of the Giga Press, and also the first to actually put it into car production. Basically kicking off a manufacturing revolution that caught every competitor off guard. But Elon Musk hasn't stopped there. He's kept upgrading the machine over and over again. And now the next version is Giga Press 2.0 with a massive 50,000 tons of clamping force. This machine will be used to cast the entire underbody of a new model in a single shot. So, how effective is this machine really? And why do Tesla's new models even need Giga Press 2.0? Yeah, this machine is being built specifically for a new car called the Tesla Model 2, the EV the whole world has been waiting for, which could launch sometime in the middle of next year. And here's the shocking part. The expected price is just around $29,990. Elon Musk has confirmed that the Model 2 is set to become the highest volume vehicle in Tesla's history, with production potentially reaching 30 to 40 million units. That's actually more than the combined total of the Model 3 and Model Y. At first, a lot of people were skeptical and brushed this off as just another one of Elon's big promises. But once Tesla revealed a new generation of Giga Press built specifically for next-G vehicles, that skepticism started to fade. As for the design, Tesla is keeping things tightly under wraps. Still, all the leaks suggest the Model 2 will be a major surprise, something totally different from what people normally expect from a low-cost car. Musk has even hinted that the production speed of the Model 2 will be way faster than the Model Y, basically opening up a new era of push-button EV manufacturing. Whether you've only been following Tesla for a few months or you've been with them for years, one thing is clear. We've been talking about this affordable Tesla for a long time now. Over and over again, the plan has changed, been canceled, and then brought back. But this time feels different. This time, Elon Musk and Tesla have confirmed that it's really happening. Okay, Model 2 will be built on the same production line as Model 3 and Model Y. But here's the key point. Tesla is not reusing the 6,000-ton Giga Press that was used for Model Y. Instead, they have to move to an entirely new generation of die casting machines, more powerful and far more ambitious. If you remember, it was the 6,000-ton Giga Press that helped Tesla cut Model Y production costs by up to 40%. More than 70 complex parts were replaced with just 2 large aluminum alloy castings, combined with the structural battery pack, a true manufacturing revolution. And now Tesla is ready to recreate and even upgrade this strategy for Model 2. The design of Model 2 reflects this ambition as well. The car is more compact than Model 3 with extremely short front and rear overhangs, leaving almost no room for a traditional trunk. This shape is ideal for testing the idea of a single-piece cast underbody. However, there's a problem. The 6,000-ton Giga Press used for Model Y simply isn't powerful enough to do this in a single cast. And that's when Tesla unveils the real monster, the next-generation Giga Press. This machine can not only cast the entire lower body in one shot, but according to Elon Musk himself, during an all-hands meeting, it can produce 5 underbody frames in a single casting cycle. If this is true, Model 2's production speed would surpass anything the automotive industry has ever seen. Can you imagine how powerful a 50,000-ton Giga Press would actually be? Think of it this way. It's 8.5 times more powerful than the current 6,200-ton Giga Press Tesla uses for the Model Y. That means Giga Press 2.0 isn't just larger, it's so efficient that it fundamentally redefines how we think about automotive manufacturing. This technology is especially critical for a compact vehicle like Model 2. With a single casting, Tesla can produce the entire chassis instead of welding together dozens of complex components. The result, a vehicle that's lighter, stiffer, more durable, and produced far faster, eliminating many unnecessary steps and dramatically cutting costs. That's the secret that allows Tesla to push the price down to $29,990. A figure that sounds unrealistic, but becomes entirely achievable thanks to this technology. One of the most remarkable aspects of Giga Press 2.0 is the extreme efficiency and precision of its production process. While older generations of the Giga Press can cast only 1 chassis per cycle, Elon Musk has said this machine can produce as many as 5 chassis frames in a single casting. 'Cause then we can make